Students, welcome to my class again. Last time we talked about the fertility measures CBR, crude birth rate, and GFR, general fertility rate. Today we are going to read about another fertility measure, that is ASFR, or age-specific fertility rate. Okay, we have got definition, calculation, expression, features, and formula. At first we will look at formula. ASFR is equal to BA multiplied by 1000. Here BA means total live births of specific age or age group, and PF means population of females of specific age or age group, and multiplied by 1000. So if we see this definition, now you can easily define ASFR means the total number of live births. You can see here as well, total number of live births given by per 1000 female population of certain age or age group in a place within a year. Okay, so in this way you can easily define ASFR, age-specific fertility rate. Once again you can see ASFR means the total number of live births given by per 1000 females of certain age group or certain age within a year. So if you go to the calculation, now you can easily write yourself. It is calculated by dividing total number of live births by median population of females of certain age group and multiplied by 1000. Here it is very clear. Now if you go to expression, it is expressed in per 1000. Here per 1000. Now what are its main features? The main feature is it is more advanced and scientific than CBR and GFR. Till now we have read about CBR and GFR, but this ASFR is more specific and more advanced than CBR and GFR because it calculates fertility rate by specific age group. So age-specific fertility rate is also fertility rate, but it is age-specific. It is according to age, or in simple language, age-specific fertility rate is the fertility rate according to age or age group, specific age group. So that is different. If you see this table, you can be clear. Age-specific fertility rate of Nepal. Here from CBS 2011, it is the data given. So age-specific fertility rate, you can see the age groups are 15 to 19, 5 years age gap, 20 to 24, 25 to 29. So these are the age groups. In these age groups, there can be different fertility rates. Like from 15 to 19 years, what is the fertility rate? 54 per 1000. But in 20 to 24 age group, the fertility rate is high, 172 per 1000. This is fertility rate of this age group. So it is age-specific fertility rate. So what is the fertility rate of 25 to 29 years? 137 per 1000. What is the ASFR of 35 to 39 years? That is 41 per 1000. In this way, age-specific fertility rate is also the fertility rate, but it is according to the age group, according to age or age group. So this is age-specific fertility rate. Now moving on to next slide, we have got one numerical problem. Now you have to solve this. If you want, you can pause the video and you can copy the question and you can solve this. Okay, I would like to read out the question. If the total number of median female population of the age group 25 to 29 years in a VDC in 2010 AD was 50,000, means the median female population of this age group, means 25 to 29 years age group, was 50,000, And the total number of live births given by the women of same age group during the same year was 6,000. The age group of 25 to 29 years of females gave birth to 6,000 live births. So you have to calculate ASFR. Now you have got the formula. CBR is equal to BA by PFA into 1000. Now for this I have given you the sample of solution. You can see while solving the numerical problem you must use the specific things here. You have to give given, you have to present given in language as well as in symbol. Okay, total number of live births given by the age group B 25 to 29. So instead of A you write 25 to 29 is 6,000. Total median female population of that age group PF 25 to 29 is 50,000. And ASFR is equal to what? Here you say now and you give the formula. ASFR is equal to BX by PFX into 1000. You can use X, you can use A or any other alphabets, no problem. So this is formula, and downside you write B instead of X or A, you write the age group, and in this way you solve the problem. And don't forget to write this last sentence. ASFR of the women in the age group 25 to 29 years of that BDC in 2010 was 120 people per 1000 median female population. Now, what are the main parts to solve the problem? First one is given, second one is formula and solution, and at last summary, means last final answer. Don't forget to write per 1000 female population. And while writing given, you always write language, after that symbol clearly. Let's talk about another topic, that is TFR, another fertility measure, that is TFR, total fertility rate. Now this is a bit different from other measures. Now if you see the formula, TFR, total fertility rate, is equal to sum of ASFR. Look here, this is the symbol of summation. Maybe you have read in mathematics, summation or sum of ASFR multiplied by age interval. Here is 5. Generally in Nepal we have got 5 years of age interval. So if the age interval is 2 years, you have to write 2. But we have 5 years of age interval, so generally we use 5. So sum of ASFR multiplied by 5 means age interval, and divided by 1000. This is the formula of TFR. So what exactly is TFR? Look at the definition. TFR is the average number of live births given by a woman in her whole reproductive span. Reproductive span means 15 to 49 years. So in this reproductive span, how many live births can a woman give birth in average? That is total fertility rate. So this is expressed in per woman, not per 1000. Okay, because total fertility rate means the average number of live births given by one woman in her whole reproductive span. So you have to express it in per woman, and it is calculated by multiplying the sum of ASFR by age interval and dividing it by 1000. Same thing here, multiply a sum of ASFR and age interval and divide by 1000. And inside features, it is just mathematical estimation of fertility rather than actual calculation. This is not the actual calculation. This is just a mathematical estimation, guess. So according to Demographic Health Survey of Nepal 2011, the TFR of Nepal was 2.6 per woman. It means in Nepal, one woman gives birth to 2 to 3 children in her whole reproductive span. Okay, 2.6 means almost 2 or 3. Now here is one numerical problem. You can pause the video and copy the question and you do yourself, solve it yourself. Find out TFR of Nepal according to the ASFR data given in the above slide. Above slide means here in our slide we have given you the data of ASFR, you can take it, screenshot it, or copy it. According to this data, you have to find out the TFR. So the formula is sum of ASFR, means first you have to add all these ASFR. These all are ASFR, so add all this, that means sum of ASFR, and multiply it by 5 and divide it by 1000. Once again, the sum of ASFR means you add 54, 172, 137, 75, 41, 19 and 06, and the sum will come here. That is sum of ASFR. Multiply it by 5 and divide by 1000, the answer will come.